Today we will talk about forearm strong shots comprising topspin, loop drive, flick. Topspins are generally given on long backspin pushes and it is mostly used to take first attacker advantage in the rally. This is point 1. Point 2 is the rubbing of the ball is to be done from the top part of the bat, and when the ball has already reached its peak after the bounce. Third, you have to do a synchronized action of wrist, arm and your main body in upward direction. Fourth, you have to keep your bat angle at 85 degree from the top of the table, and your action would start from knee area. And fifth, which is the most important one, that your action should not cross your body midline, otherwise you would not be able to recover for the second shot. Loop drives are given on blocks, mild backspin and no spin balls. For giving a loop drive, you have to make your angle of 45 degree from the top of the table, and rest action would be quite similar to topspin, which is in upward direction. Point 3, the synchronized action in loop drive would be same as topspin only. Flick is given on short backspin balls. Second, you have to take your right foot inside the table first, and then you have to stretch your elbow and reach to the highest peak of the ball after the bounce, and take a forward and upward action. Third, you have to keep your bat angle at 105 degrees so that it can take care of the backspin. And fourth, you have to be very quick in doing this action, otherwise since the ball is so short, it will get into net.
Bye for now. Thanks for connecting.